No iced coffees were heard during filming of this video. Swear. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Sorry, I looked over there. My computer did a weird thing, and I was like, why you doing that? But back at it again, as promised, with another fall themed look. Today I'm going to show you how I get this dark pumpkin spice eye look using the new Nomad Cosmetics palette. Now, I did use it in my last video for my Schoolgirl Vampire, but it is literally the perfect palette for fall. There's no way you can use another palette, I swear. This is, listen, trust me, we here. Now, it is a quick tutorial just to show you guys how I get this eye look. It is a lot easier than it looks. There are a few steps and a lot of blending, but y'all know, blend for 5 to 6 days, and on the 7th day, we rest. But if you're ready to get into this dark pumpkin spice look, keep on watching. Don't know why I do that, but let's get started. I'm ready to do, it's fall. I promise, fall looks all October. So I have an idea to do, I want to do like a dark pumpkin spice look. Those are colors that I'm feeling. So of course I'm gonna go back into my Nomad Cosmetics Hudson Valley palette. It's just literally perfect for, it is fall themed, okay? So this is what I want to do. Yes, okay. So using my large fluffy blending brush, you guys know the lid's already primed with my Tarte Shape Tape and Tan Sand, okay? I'm gonna go into Fall Festival, which of course is needed. Because it's just a beautiful, like, burnt orange shade, and it just looks really, really pretty. Now, I don't know what kind of lip I'm going to do, but it's going to be cute. If you guys hear a cricket in the background, the crickets have been invading me, and they're huge where I live. I tell you guys all the time, I live on Jurassic Park. So they're huge, okay? If you've seen the last Jurassic World, those things, okay? Them. That's what I have down here, and it's ridiculous. Ridiculous. They don't care. They're loud as shit because they're huge. It's awful, but we're blending this orange out. I'm hoping to do a quick tutorial. I don't want you guys to be like dying. I'll save the longer videos for a get ready with me where I just don't care. Stuff to talk about with you guys and update you guys, and I might have one coming up soon because I almost quit YouTube last weekend. And I wouldn't have just stopped filming videos. I was just gonna be like, yo, after this year, I'm done. But I'm here. Not feeling great. I don't know what's been going on. Check on your friends, guys. Seasonal depression is real, and maybe it's hitting a lot more people than you think. Because I've just been on just not feeling great at all for a long time. So filming videos have been really, really hard for me. So when YouTube was acting stupid and I was ready to quit, I was just like, you know what? It's time. I think that's really pretty. Unlike my Spooky Season 101 vampire look, I am actually going to cut the crease today because I want to get into one of these oranges. They look beautiful, and I think I don't know. Moving on. Next, using my Morphe E36, I'm going to go into the Great Pumpkin Patch shade, which is a brown with like orangey red undertones. So let's see how this looks here. I don't think it's dark enough. It's doing a little something. JK, I'm gonna go into Oktoberfest, which is like a deep brown that's kind of on the red side. Look how things change. Much better. So I'm gonna use this to deepen up the crease. As I said, I wanted like a dark pumpkin spice. Yeah, this is it. Woo-hoo. Like, I know you guys said I could take a break in one of my other videos, but I just feel like I cannot. I feel like I have to keep moving, and I started this YouTube journey. I'm gonna keep going. We're gonna ride it out. I'm not seeing the results that I want always, but I do enjoy creating these looks for you guys. And most times, when I get told I need to do wearable looks, I'm kind of like, shut the hell up. But sometimes I like those too. I'm ready to get back into, like, I want to be in a place where I'm like, yeah, let's film every day this week, have content ready so that I can take another break. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. I really do not know. We're gonna just have to see. But I think that looks great. I'm gonna go back in once I'm finished blending out this crease shade, and I'm going to go ahead and just revamp that fall festival shade. You guys know I don't want it to get lost, but I definitely want some depth. I think it's going really, really quickly. Wow, killing it. I was thinking about adding a little green pop of color, but I'm not completely sure yet. But that's all depends on how dark I want this look to get. I also have my Sephora Pro palette in warm on standby, just in case I wanted to go into that black shade. But there's a deep shade in this palette, Farm to Table, and I think it's always great when you can just use one palette for a look. It's just easier, let me tell you. So before I go into I dropped stuff. So before I go into the shade that I'm going to be using on the outer corner, I'm going to go back into my large fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to grab a little bit of that Fall Festival and just blend those two together like so. And guys, remember that I still have a bigger, better Halloween look. Like, I was starting you off with a vampire. You know, everyone does a vampire. Last year I did one look. I did like a burn ward nurse. Check that out. The year prior I did a vampire nun, which I think came out really well. But vampire is just such an easy look. I decided that I needed something bigger and better. Trying to step it up every year that I'm on YouTube. And, you know, hoping something sticks. And if not, then I'm cool with whoever's rocking with me anyway. Ooh, yeah. So, I'm starting on my lunch break, so dedication. I'm going to go ahead and clean off my Morphe E36 just a little bit. I want to go into the Wine Harvest shade. Now, I did use it as a lid shade for my vampire look, but I want to just use it on the outer corner. I think it could work. I think it would work. So here, I'm just gonna, yeah, add that there. These are blending. I don't think I'm gonna have to go into another palette, so that's really good. I love a one palette look. It's just so easy. I'm kind of going in the same motion that I did last time. I'm just going to tap the shadow and pat it just to pack it in and then blend it out. But I don't need it to go too far onto the lid. I will be cutting the crease. I just want to build up some of the dimension on the outer corner. So I'm going to go ahead, blend that out and show you guys how it looks. I blended out the red, that wine shade, on the outer corner, a little bit into the crease. It makes a subtle difference in my opinion, but it's still very much pumpkin spice. You guys felt that? You felt that. So I'm just gonna cut the crease with my Tarte Shape Tape and a concealer brush. It's gonna be, I was gonna say it's gonna be quick. I'm a liar. But the look is a lot easier than I thought. I think it's a really, really simple look. It's just about blending and really blending and choosing your colors. So what I'm gonna do, I was thinking of a halo eye, but I don't want that. I want a regular cut crease, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, took me a lot longer than I wanted. That's because my eyes are two different shapes. So yeah, but I like how I cut the crease. I brought it down, I dragged it down a little bit in the inner corner, but I'm ready to get into this lid shade. While my concealer is still wet and tacky, I'm going to go into Foliage Trail, which is the darkest orange in the palette. It's really a true orange. The other one's like lighter pumpkin orange, and there's a green. I don't know about the green yet. With my 2, 3, 4, this is my Luxe shader brush, and I'm going to, so lightly, I'm going to swipe. Just kidding. It's actually a little harder pressed than I expected. There we go. Oh, look at that. So I'm going to first tap it. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I want. Yup. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over the lid. So I'm thinking now, and I might have lied to you guys, for October. Or maybe I won't film it for October. I'm going to a Joyner Lucas concert in Boston. And I'm thinking if I want to do a get ready with me, a little travel vlog, a little concert vlog. Let me know how you guys feel about that. Obviously, I would not be able to post any of the music. But if you guys want to, you know, see how that goes, let me know in the comments down below. I will be meeting one of my friends for lunch also. So that'll be cute. A cute little vlog. Alright, so that's pretty. I like it a lot. Going back in with my Morphe E36 into Wine Harvest, I'm going to touch up the outer corner and just blend those two shades together. Purchase your tracks today. I'm also going to use this Wine Harvest shade off camera to smoke out the lower lash line when I'm finishing up. I just think that I want a little bit more of it. Just a little bit more. I don't know about my waterline just yet, or the actual lip combo. So just stay tuned for that. But I'm pretty much done. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and bring out some liner. I always have to. And I throw on my lashes. I'm just going to finish up off camera. It is pretty much done here. I love how it looks. I like the shades, the dimension. Guys, let me go finish up because I'm right in the nick of time too. I'll be right back with the final look.
This right here is my mug. In slow motion, my mug. A beauty shot you can't compare to. So book me and I'll do it for you.
Alright guys, this is the final look, and I don't know about you, but this look definitely says fall to me. I feel like these colors are perfect. They're beautiful. Oh, I love them. I do. I love how it came out. Low-key kind of matches the palette. You see that? It wasn't even planned. But I really love this look. The lashes are in the style Bratty. The contacts are in Pony Gray. On the waterline, I actually went in with a liquid lipstick by Live Glam in the shade Peach Bellini. It is a very beautiful shade. Do I recommend you using liquid lipstick as eyeliner? No. Did I do it? Will I continue to do it? Yeah. I don't know if it's eye safe, but my eyes they're still here. They're working. So there's that. For the lipstick, for the lip combo, I actually went ahead and used my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Club Hopper. I then put on a little bit of the Peach Bellini, and then I also topped that off with So Fly. These are both liquid lipsticks from Live Glam. This one is more of a brown nude, a tan nude, and this is obviously peachy pink. And they just look so good together. I felt like it just matched it matched the eyes perfectly. And that's it. Like, I really love it. Like, I think this look came out really pretty, and I was not feeling this week, but this look is doing it. Now, this palette, I know this is not a palette review, but it is a really beautiful palette by Nomad Cosmetics. It is the Hudson Valley palette. It is their fall palette, and it is literally giving that. Okay, perfect for fall. Get some really nice fall orangey looks. You can get some browns. You can get the earthy look going, like. And a combination of all of them, just amazing. Now, I think I've used almost every shadow on this side. I have not touched these browns. Maybe I'll do that a little bit later. Maybe I'll need it for my next Halloween look. Who knows? But I always highly recommend Nomad Cosmetics palettes. I think this is my favorite after Orient Express. It's going to have to be this one. I can see so many looks that I can get from this palette with only using this palette. Wearable, a little bit of fall. Like, you can do a lot with this palette, and it's so beautiful. So I highly recommend it. I do want to say that their shadows are soft. Going with the light hand, or your palette's going to be a bit of a mess. But they're very pigmented. If you feel like shadows are not building up in the way that you want, go ahead and do what I was doing with that wine shade and just pack it in and then blend it out. It'll work beautifully. But that's it, guys. I'm happy. I'm trying to give you guys some short tutorials. You guys know my get ready with me's are gonna be long and chatty because I got lots to say, and that's just it. But if you like the look, if you like the video, if you like me, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. I don't, look, it's engagement, baby. Engage with me. I don't really mind if there's at all, if there's any other fall themed looks, palettes, products that you want reviewed. Comment down below. I can try to get them before the month is out and put it out in a video. I do still have my bigger, gorier, spookier Halloween look coming to you guys soon. I just need to get the rest of my stuff together, but I think you guys are gonna like it, okay? I swear. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.